Standard 9, Subject Science and Technology. Lesson number 1, Laws of Motion. Now, dear students, in previous video, we have studied about speed and velocity. Now we are going to learn effect of speed and direction on velocity. Velocity depends on speed as well as direction, and that velocity changes by changing the speed while keeping the direction same, and velocity may change when changing the direction while keeping the speed same, and velocity also changes when changing the speed as well as the direction. Now students, see here uniform and non-uniform speed. If an object covers equal distance in equal time intervals, it is said to be moving with uniform speed. And if an object covers unequal distance in equal time interval, it is called to be moving with the non-uniform speed. For example, the motion of a vehicle being driven through heavy traffic. Now we are going to learn the acceleration. See the definition of acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. For example, you must have all played on a slide in a park. You know that while sliding down, velocity is less at the top and it increases in the middle and becomes zero toward the end. In this case, you can observe rate of change of velocity is changes. So that's why we can say that the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Acceleration equal to change in velocity with respect to time. Now let us see one activity is given in the textbook on page number 4. Take a 1 meter long plastic tube and cut it lengthwise into the two halves. And take one of the channel shaped piece, place one of its end on the ground and hold the other at the some height from the ground. And take a small ball and release it from the upper end of the channel. Observe the velocity of the ball as it rolls down along the channel. Is its velocity the same at all points? No, its velocity are the changing. Observe how the velocity changes as it moves from the top, through the middle and the bottom. The velocity of the ball is continuously changing. Initially, ball is dropped from rest, that is zero velocity. As it rolls down, its velocity goes on increasing. When the ball hits the surface and stops, its velocity becomes zero again. Now we are going to learn types of acceleration. There are three types of acceleration: positive acceleration, negative acceleration and zero acceleration. So first of all of you see the first one, positive acceleration. When the velocity of an object increases, the acceleration is positive. In this case, acceleration is in the direction of velocity. When the velocity of an object decreases with time, it has negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is also called deceleration. Its direction is opposite to the direction of velocity. If the velocity of the object does not change with time, then it has zero acceleration. Now see uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. If the velocity changes by equal amount in equal time intervals, the object is said to be in the uniform acceleration. And if the velocity changes by unequal amount in equal time intervals, the object is said to be non-uniform acceleration. Thank you.